ChatGPT just changed content creation again. You might have noticed that ChatGPT added a new feature recently where you can generate images right inside your workflow. And this is a great tool for marketing campaigns because this means you can create visuals right alongside your content. For example, if you need to create a social media post or even an entire campaign, ChatGPT can generate the captions and the visuals all at one time. And it's super easy with the right prompt. Let me show you how. By the way, I've provided this prompt in the description below so you can try it out. So let's say you sell an eco-friendly vegan cosmetics brand on Etsy. Notice how the prompt here gives ChatGPT real marketing context. The business type, target audience, extremely important, platform, goal, and brand voice. So instead of using a generic prompt like write a post, I'm telling it who I am, who I'm talking to, and why this post exists. I'm also asking it to act as both my copywriter and my visual creator. This means I don't have to jump between tools or write a separate image prompt. And when I hit enter, ChatGPT generates the Instagram caption and a matching image in the same step. So you get one prompt, one workflow for your social posts. But there's another advantage here that's even more important than saving time. Because the caption and the image are created together, they're built around the same core idea. You're not writing a post first and then trying to match an image later or vice versa. The visual and the message are born from the same core concept, so they feel cohesive. And that makes for a more impactful post and just better creative all around. The image reinforces the story and the story gives the image meaning. In other words, you get better creative alignment. This is how small brands can look more polished and more professional. And I'll leave you with one more important step. Always, always review the AI content with your human perspective, human expertise, and human voice, because your creativity makes all the difference. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe for that next video, and thanks for watching.